I'm Dr. Scott Boden. I'm with the Hair Restoration Center of Connecticut, and my practice is dedicated to the treatment of hair loss for men and women. Sometimes it involves surgical treatment and medical treatment, and often a combination of the two. One of the things that has been important for my practice over the years is the endorsement of third parties. What I mean by that is that there are organizations such as the IAHRS, the International Alliance of Hair Restoration Surgeons, also Bald Truth Talk, and Specs Hair based in the UK. These organizations are really devoted to patient education. And once a person can be educated, realizing that there's a difference between someone trying to sell them a surgical procedure versus someone who's looking out for their best interest, these endorsements mean a great deal. I'm also involved with the American Board of Hair Restoration Surgery, and that has been an important third-party endorsement. Ultimately, the endorsement by patients who have been satisfied with my work means a great deal also. Review sites that are trustworthy are an important source of information. I would encourage every patient to do their due diligence and to see a doctor who's ethical and has their best interest in heart. Sometimes it's difficult to ascertain what's real and what's just a series of great-looking photographs. So I think the value from a third-party consumer organization can mean a great deal.